Hi, my name is Michael Wong. I'm 24 years old, happily unemployed, and desperately looking for a place to live. I bravely and willingly left everything I had in New York so I can freely pursue my dreams here in the Valley. Hi, Mom. Yeah, I know, don't worry. I'm doing well. Yeah. I arrived at the hotel pretty late last night, but I slept well. No, I understand your concern. I did quit suddenly and unexpectedly. I didn't mean to make this hard for you guys, but I have seriously thought it through. And I planned everything carefully before I left New York, so I didn't quit carelessly. Yeah, thanks for understanding, Mom. I will. Say hi to Dad for me. Bye. Okay, I love you. Looking for a roommate, big bedroom with bathroom, 241 Linden Drive. That's not very far from here. Maybe I should check it out tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.